number one, the most important tip ever is to prioritize. Prioritize. Learn how to make the best use of your time. If you don't know how, or you don't know how to prioritize, ask yourself, what's the best use of my time right now? What must get done? What can wait? Ask yourself those two questions, your priorities will come to mind. So that's number one. Number two, and this is something that Closet Works will find really interesting, a place for everything, and everything has its place. That's your assurance against losing things. So that's really, really key. So even if you're building an office, a little office space, or you're building a little closet, keep that in mind. Like, what's going to go where? Everything should have a little home so that you know where to go, and it saves time. You know where to go when you need it. That's another tip. Third is to simplify. Absolutely, you don't have to overcomplicate things. Streamline, create systems for yourself, like the morning routines we were talking about earlier. Create systems that will make your life easier.